Hello to my lovely viewers, welcome to my channel Explore with Micah. Today is New Year's Eve and everyone is so busy in their homes. So do I, but only in my mind. Oh my god, since last night I wanted to prepare so many stuffs, but I don't know, it's already past 12 here. I haven't cooked any yet. I wanted to cook pork afritada, lumpia, chiamai, pancit with shrimp, and also Portuguese food like bacalhau in oven, and also beef cooked in the stone. But I don't know if I can make it all. I also wanted to make a dessert like a leche flan and carrot cake 2-in-1. We'll see if I can make it. Come on, let's go. I have made this leche flan and carrot cake many times already. I guess more than 10 times. But I can never really get the perfect combination or timing for the caramel syrup. So here it's already in the cake molder. So I don't know if this will be the perfect one that I really wanted for the New Year's Eve cake. But we'll see. For the leche flan part, we have the 3 eggs. And then 395 grams or 1 can of condensed milk, and then fresh milk, or you can use evaporated milk, around 300 ml. So we'll just have to put it in the food processor. We have different set here of ingredients for the carrot cake. We have here 1 sinora or carrot sliced in small pieces, 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, and then half cup of oil. All these 4 ingredients will go to the food processor. We have put our cake in the oven at 180 degrees centigrade, and then after 1 hour at 4 p.m. we will take it out. While waiting for our New Year's Eve cake, I guess I'm already prepared now for our first Filipino food, which is pork afritada. I have here pork for marination with red wine vinegar, salt, and then pepper, and also garlic infused in olive oil. So come on, let's get started. I only have, I guess, 1 hour to marinate this one. But it should be longer, but I tried it last time. I also had short time preparing, so I guess it was fine. I guess there was no problem. It was fine. It finished already also. Oh my god, I'm already down to my next Filipino foods, which are lumpia and chiamai. I have here in the food processor turkey meat, which will be divided for those 2 menus. So we will have it grounded already. Now na. Smells so good, and it's fresh from the oven. Smells caramel. We will leave this one for 2 hours here outside to cool down, and then if it's okay not to put inside the fridge, we will put it there so that it will have more compact texture at midnight. So we're back here for our chiamai recipe. We will add here in our food processor the egg, flour, and then carrots and the onion. Yay! I guess we're almost. Our cake is ready. Our siamai is ready. I also boiled some eggs for the pork afritada here. And then our pork here is ready to put for the slices of tomato. So now I'll put it now. And then 20 minutes boiling. I'm already thawing the shrimp as these are frozen. This will go for the pancit later. So for now, I will just have to prepare for the spring roll. But I only have limited wrapper, so I have to maximize this one. I guess most of the ones that I wanted is fulfilled. I think so. So later, we will use the oven again for the bacalhau. And then near midnight or near dinner, we will have to cook for the beef in stone. My husband prepared the bacalhau or codfish with potato in oven, and then he also grilled the beef in stone. As we are already starving, we were not able to have a decent video or picture of what we have eaten. Sorry guys. We just had our New Year's Eve dinner and now we are going to have the dessert. The Leche Flan plus carrot cake 2-in-1. Just in perfect combination. And also with the menus that we made, my husband likes the lumpia and the chiamai, and also with the beef that was grilled in the stone. We still have a lot of food that we did not eat, so by the next day or tomorrow, we will eat it, the rest of it. We will not leave anything to the trash. So I hope you have enjoyed watching the video, and please do share this YouTube channel, Explore with Mecca, to your friends and families. Happy holidays, Boas Festas. Obrigado!